welcome back to episode 2 of Animal Crossing Pocket Camp Part 2. So, as I told you in the last video, that I'll be fishing, but there's 2 places where to fish. So tomorrow, or later, if I can make the video, I'm going to, fish in the lake. As you can see, there's the lake, and I'm right over there. Ooh, but first of all, Mr. Rich here, I don't know what his name is. That's a visitor's van. I never seen this. What's this? Small too. Oh, there's a second floor. Let us see the second floor. Creepy. Bye-bye. Okay, it's taking a bit of time. So, I am not wearing any shoes here or socks because that would. Okay, let's fish. Look, there's a fish. A horse. So I will show you what are my fishes that I caught. And last time, in the last episode where I was about bug catcher, I didn't show you my bugs. Here are my bugs. Very little. Yes, very little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, look, there's another fish. Come here, fishy. A squid. Oh, burritos. The burrito's trying to come out. Ooh, a very tiny one. How magnificent. Yes, another seahorse. Let's collect some of these on the floor. Is that a fish? Let's catch it. Come here, fishy. Ooh. Okay. That's another big one. Okay. Have to go closer. Seriously? Keep going farther. Yes, attack it. Yes. Ooh, I don't know. A sea bass. Okay. Let's collect some of those shells, would we? And I hope in the last video you liked the intro and outro. The reasons why I made a new intro and outro, I can't find my old ones. A horse. Not a horse. Let's see. I got no more tents and I have very little. Another one of these ugly fishes. Another fish popped up. Meh. We got it. Another beautiful squid. Isn't that magnificent? Oh, we're almost in 100. Can't find any more fish. Ah, there. A red snapper. Isn't that great and magnificent? Look how beautiful it is. 100, yes, I have completed it. And it is. Except I got 100 fishes. Magnificent. I don't have a Nintendo Switch. Got no Nintendo Switch. Thank you for watching. Now oh wait, I forgot to collect. Hurry up. This video is 5 minutes long. I don't want it to become 6. Okay. Now I shall disappear. Bye bye.
Like a Hellcat.